Today we're going to make double chocolate brownie muffins. This recipe takes the richness of a brownie and turns it into a muffin that's packed with chocolate flavor. The process is straightforward, so let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Then prepare a muffin tin by lining it with paper liners. Now, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. You'll use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, you'll need a half cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And to make these muffins extra special, we're adding a half cup of chocolate chips or chunks. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they're well combined. In a separate bowl, mix the melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract until smooth. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir until everything is just combined. It's important not to overmix the batter, as this can make the muffins dense. Once the batter is ready, fold in the chocolate chips. This will give the muffins their double chocolate goodness. Now, it's time to fill the muffin tin. Spoon the batter into the liners, filling each about 3/4 full. This allows the muffins to rise perfectly. Place the muffin tin in your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. To check if they're done, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out with a few moist crumbs attached. Once the muffins are baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. After that, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This cooling time helps the muffins set and ensures they're easy to remove from the liners. These double chocolate brownie muffins are the perfect treat for chocolate lovers. They have a rich, chocolatey flavor and a soft, brownie-like texture. Whether you're making them for a special occasion or just because you're in the mood for something sweet, this recipe is sure to satisfy. Thanks for following along with this recipe. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more simple and delicious recipes. I'd love to hear how your muffins turned out, so feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.